Alright, it's time to open this. Grab a pair of scissors and the Pokemon box. If you want to take another look at it. It has Blastoise EX on it. Okay. The tin. Unwrapped. Here's the Pokemon logo. Let's open this baby up. Okay. And here we have Blastoise EX. Okay, let's set that right. Put that there. Let's get into the Pokemon deck. Freaking get out of here. Don't want you. Okay, let's get out. Let's take out all these starter packs. Crap, there's a lot of starter packs. Black and white legendary treasures. Holy balls. Okay, so Okay, so we have Pokemon X and Y Furious Fists starter pack. We have Black and White Legendary Treasures. We have X and Y Flash Fire. And we have X and Y another Furious Fists, another Pokemon on it. So let's get into opening these bags. Alright, so I'm going to first open up the X and Y Furious Fists and see what's in this package. Just gotta open this up. Okay, alright, okay. So I first see a Pokemon. I might already have this one. I already have this Pokemon, so we have Clefairy. I'm going to put these here. Some of these Pokemon are really suckish. I already have to know it. Bellsprout. I have a legendary Extra Buzz.
Is that good?
Yeah. There's Flygon, there's Amura, Maintenance, I don't need that. Clefable. Pretty cool. That starter pack is really good. Starter pack, X and Y Furious Fists has been opened. Second Furious Fists. Let's open up this one. I'm trying not to cut the cards. Magmar Pikachu. Nice, we got a Pikachu. Pikachu. Is that even a good Pokemon though? But who cares? Parrot. What? We have a parrot? It's a parrot. We got a parrot. Oh, wait a second. I have a Evolve. Okay, so I have Clefairy and I have Clefable. Evolve. Mega Mortar. That's a strong Pokemon. Twin Burst and 120 health. Pretty awesome. Triumph. Don't need you. Well, it's okay. It's a good card. Get out of here. We got a legendary Parrot. Okay, that was the second X and Y Fierce Fists. Now let's go to Flash Fire. And I have one more after this, and that's the Legendary Treasures. I've never got that one out before. Oh, this is the new Fletching. I have the old one. Yeah, I have the old Fletching. That was like from the 1980s. There's that one. This I have a dark Pokemon. Barkmite, that looks pretty cool. I have this is like the dark Pokemons. I have another legendary Fletchling. Durant, we have Durant, we have Furfrou, Slingo, Safety Torch, and then we're back to the Fletchling. Okay, so that was Flashfire. No, don't fall apart, Flashfire. Okay, now let's open up Black and White Legendary Treasures. I wonder what's in this. Hopefully there's a lot of legendaries. If not, I'm gonna get angry. Okay, there's Woolbat. Are these all? No. I found a legendary. Okay, so we have Woobat. Woobat. Wait, this is a evolved Gotcha, Makino, Ashawat. Oh, I love this one. That's like one of my favorite ones. Oh. Here's a legendary. Okay. Gallade. What is this? It says Emolga. Pokemon. Call for family. Search your deck for 2 basic Pokemon and put them onto your bench. Shuffle your deck afterward. Static Shock. 20. What the frick? Weird. Freaking Starvine, freaking dark Pokemons. Swagloon! Guess Swagloon. Get out of here. Okay. This is the legendary or the EX card I have. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's pretty much it for this Pokemon unboxing video. Let's put these all together and see what type of deck we got. Wow! Pretty thick deck. My deck of Pokemon cards is up to here now, and plus this is going to be up to here. Wow! Alright. That's pretty much it for this unboxing video. If you liked this video, then leave a like in the comment section. Comment and subscribe down below. Check out the description on where you can buy these Pokemon cards. I got them at Target for $36.99, so about $40 plus tax. So yeah. Find this at any Walmart near you in the card section. So, yeah, click right here if you want to subscribe, and coming back to you today. Quack.